Hey everyone, and welcome. So, you've got data, right? Piles of it. But how do you turn all those numbers into smart decisions? Well, you need the right tools. And today, we're going to install one of the absolute best, Power BI. This is your quick start guide to get you up and running in the world of data analysis.
But before we even click a button, let's just think about this for a second. We're all drowning in spreadsheets, databases, you name it. But how do you actually take that ocean of raw numbers and turn it into something useful, something that helps you make a smart move? More importantly, how do you find the story that's hiding inside all that data? Well, for millions of people, the answer to that question is a tool that was built for exactly this. And that tool is Power BI. It's designed to do one thing really, really well: transform your data from just noise into real insight. So, what is Power BI at its core? It's not just about crunching numbers. Think of it as a business analytics service that lets you build these amazing interactive reports and dashboards. It helps the people making the big decisions actually see and understand what the data is telling them so they can make choices with confidence. And what does that mean for you in practice? It means you've got some serious power for managing your data right at your fingertips. You've got a massive library of charts and graphs to visualize your findings in cool ways. And ultimately, you can build reports that aren't just powerful, but also look great and are easy to understand. The whole goal here is simple: to help anyone make smarter, data-driven choices.
All right, enough of the what and the why. Let's get to the how. We're going to walk through the installation right now. And don't worry, you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. It's super straightforward. Okay, it's really just a simple four-step process. First up, head to your Start menu and open the Microsoft Store. Easy enough? Second, once you're in the store, just type Power BI Desktop into the search bar. Third, you'll see the application pop right up. Just click that big Install button. The best part is, the store handles the download and the entire setup for you. And finally, number 4, you can launch it right from the store when it's finished, or you can find it later in your Start menu like any other program. So once you launch it for the first time, you're going to see this welcome screen. It gives you some quick shortcuts to import data or open recent files. For now, we're just going to ignore all that and open a blank report so we can get right into the main interface. But wait, before you dive in and start clicking around, there is one absolutely essential first step you need to take. Seriously. Microsoft updated the user interface recently, and making this one little change will ensure that your screen looks like what you've seen pretty much all the modern tutorials out there. And trust me on this one, spending 30 seconds to do this now will save you so much confusion later. We need to activate a little feature called On-Object Interaction. It just makes sure your version of Power BI is using the latest, greatest layout so you can follow along with any guides or tutorials without getting lost. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, go up to the File menu. From there, select Options and Settings, and then click Options. A new window will pop up. On the left-hand side, find the section called Preview Features. In that list, you're looking for a checkbox that says On Object Interaction. Go ahead and check that box. And now for the most important part. You have to completely close and restart Power BI for the changes to take effect. And just like that, you're done. You are installed, you're configured, and you are ready to rock. But remember, you didn't just install a piece of software. You've just unlocked an incredibly powerful new way to see and understand the world through your data. Your data journey starts right now. So now you've got this amazing analysis tool sitting right on your desktop, just waiting for you to feed it some data. The real fun is about to begin. So I'll leave you with this one question to get you started. What's the very first story that you're going to make your data tell?